Hi friends! Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can make your custom header files in cprogramming language. Here, I have this program of selection sort, and there are multiple functions in this program. Now I will copy this selection sort function and paste it to the new file. Make sure this file only contains functions. Now I will save this file as header file. Select header file from drop-down and name your header file. Now go to the folder where you have saved the file and copy this file. Now go to the C drive, Program Files, Embarcadero, Dev CPP, TDMGCC, include and paste that file here. Click Continue to give permission to save file. Make new file and include that header file in the program. Now I will copy the codes from previous file except selection sort function. There is no selection sort function in this program, and I have only called selection sort function. Run the program. Our program is working. Now I will make another header file for printing array. Repeat the above steps. Include that header file.